Okay, my name is Paul Obukohwo, a Pan-African, who believe in the Africa general, But today I want to discuss about Nigeria, I'm just thinking about something like how to fix Nigeria, like, my own part that I'm going to contribute towards the governance of Nigeria, because I believe that we all have to come together, with different ideas, let's see how we can have our various opinions, But like me, what I'm proposing is not about the senators that we have in Nigeria. My own way is that if I'm elected as the president, or if we all as a Nigeria should come together and have our own opinion together, For me, I would have liked that we will have a senators, We will have senators in Nigeria. But it won't be in this way. The way it's going to be is this, we still have those representatives of the senators that we have in Nigeria. But if there should be any law that they are going to make, this is how I'm proposing it, If there is any law that they're going to make that the country, that the country is going to make, then those people that we have as a representative, as the lawmakers, the only job they have, they are not the one that is going to make the law. They will only propose, they will bring a bill to the National Assembly, or if the president even bring a bill that you want to amend the bill, or you want to make any law, what is going to happen? Those senators that we have as a representative, what they have to do, they will put the bill on the internet, and so there is the Nigerian people that we have to vote for the bill, not the senators. The senators will be the one to make the law, but they will be the one that will propose, that will bring a bill, that we want to do so and so bill, we want to make so and so law, and including the president, they will bring bills that this is what we are going to do. Then once they bring the bill, they will make a date that Nigeria is going to vote for the bill. It is Nigeria that is going to make the bill legal, not the senators. The senators will only propose the bill. The president will only propose the bill, but they are not the one who is going to legalize or make the bill to become a law. This we the Nigerians, once the Senate or the senators or the National Assembly or the House of Reps, or the president, once they propose a bill that this is the law, the bill that we are proposing, then they will put it there. They will put a date that the whole Nigeria will now vote. And mind you, this vote is not going to be by going to the polling unit to vote. It's going to be on electronica with your cell phone. Once a day, with your cell phone, you can vote as a Nigerian, as a citizen, You will just vote with your phone. The day that we are going to make so and so be like this, they are proposing so and so be. Once the day come, including the senators, they will vote as a person, as a Nigerian too, as a citizen too, Then the Nigerian people, they will vote. There will be an election. They will vote if they like the bill. Like in terms of politics, like in terms of law, majority win the vote. So Nigerian people, they are the one that is going to vote any law, any bill that they bring that they want to become law. Is the Nigerian people that will vote, not the 109 senators and the 360 House of Reps that we have. They won't be the one. Those numbers of the people, they won't be the one that will determine a law that will govern no less than 220 something million to 30 million people. It's not acceptable. Like that is my own ways that I'm proposing. If not only if I'm a president or anything, like if we all should come together, and sit, let have different opinion, because just 360 House of Rep and 109 senator combined is 460 lawmakers. They can't be the one that will determine a law that will govern 220 something million people, If it's like that, once they bring a bill, it's not those rubber stamp that we have. Once anybody bring a bill, they will just stamp it, divide money. No, it will be a government of the people. You bring a bill from a national assembly, The president will bring a bill. We will just only have those senators as a representative there. Who is going to bring a law that, oh, we have a bill like this, that we want to make a law. We are going to, we just only been there, and mind you, they are going to be paid as a part-time when they have a seat. That is when they will only get paid. That is when they will only get paid, not a monthly salary because they are doing nothing. It will be a part-time, when there is something to do, they go there. They pay them per hours, just like a normal civil servant. Just like a normal civil servant. But what I'm saying now is that just 109 senators and 360 House of Rep can't be the one that will determine a law that will govern 220 to 30 million people. Those time is over. I believe we have to have a rethink. It's we the Nigerian people that have to vote a law, a bill to become law. Is we the Nigerian people, the senators, the House of Rep, and the president can only bring a bill to the National Assembly. Then they put it on the internet, on the website, that so and so day there's going to be an election for so and so bill to become a law. It's the Nigerian people that is going to determine, that is going to tell if the bill, if the law is good or not. And mind you too, like in terms of the kind of, although they have been talking about the structure and the regional government, I believe if we should be the one, the citizens of the country to be the one that will make a law, that will vote for a bill to become law, I believe those, what is it called? A president can no longer appoint a IG of police, commandant so and so of the armed forces, and the general of the army chief of staff on that. They won't be the ones. It will be the duty of the Nigerian people. They can only propose that it is a Nigerian citizen that have to vote, that we have to elect. If it's not that, I didn't see any way that Nigeria is going to progress. If the 109 senators and 360 House of Rep members, they should be or continue to be the one that will determine a law, a bill that they will pass, a law that will govern 230 to 25 to 30 million people. There is no way that Nigeria is going to be a better place. There is no way. How can you just tell me that just 460 people will determine a law that will govern 225 to 30 million people in a country? No. And the lawmakers that we have there, moreover, there is not a rubber stamp. I believe I'm still glorifying it, I'm still giving them more prestige, because they legalize every illegality. Yeah. They legalize every illegality, They amend the constitution every day. The constitution of a country, they amend it every day. Let's cram the constitution. For me, I stand for we should scrap that fraudulent constitution. We should scrap it, And moreover, well, let me leave it here, That is my own opinion. So thank you very much. Thank you. We have to make Nigeria great. Thank you.